I'm Nicki Bruckmann. I'm CEO and founder of Explorer Chick. Explorer Chick is an adventure travel tour company for women. We are empowering women with outdoor adventures like rafting and camping, and right now we're here in West Virginia taking on the Lower New. We've been coming to ACE for 6 years, and it's because the staff here is so wonderful. We've been working with them for so long. They know how to take care of us. We love the raft guys. They keep all of my ladies safe, and the camping here is fabulous, and it's great for our big groups, 80 plus women. Agnes is how we're able to organize our big groups with ACE. She knows who we are, and she answers all of my questions, and then she has answers to the questions I didn't even know I had. We love whitewater rafting because, well, we're an adventure travel company for women, and it's outdoors and it's high adventure, big waves. But we can also send 80 women down the river at once and all end the day with some pizza and watching our video together.